Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see some basic problems based on definite integration. In the previous videos we have seen the introduction part, what is definite integration, and we have also seen the difference between the integration and the definite integration. Therefore, without wasting any time, let us start with problem number 1. Integral dx upon under root x from 4 to 9. Here the lower limit of x is 4 and the upper limit is 9. Considering the given integral as I, we have integral 4 to 9 dx upon under root of x. Now the rest of the procedure remains same, only in the last step we are going to do upper limit minus lower limit. Therefore, first we can take this root x in the numerator. Here the power of root x will be x raised to half, and in the numerator this will give you x raised to minus half dx. On further integrating, I can use the formula integral x raised to n dx. That gives you x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. But this being a definite integration, we won't write plus c as a constant part. Therefore, I is equal to x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 within limits 4 to 9. On further solving, this will give you minus half plus 1 is plus half upon again minus half plus 1 will give you plus half from limits 4 to 9. In the next step, this will give you reciprocal of half is 2 into x raised to half within limits 4 to 9. Now you can take the constant part outside. Therefore, this will give you 2 into x raised to half from 4 to 9. Here we are going to substitute x as 9 first minus, then we are going to substitute x as 4. Therefore, I is equal to 2 into, we have 9 raised to 1 by 2 minus we have 4 raised to 1 by 2. Just substitute the upper limit and the lower limit for x. This will give you I is equal to, we know that square root of 9 raised to half can be written as square root of 9. Similarly, 4 raised to half can be written as square root of 4. On further solving, square root of 9 will be 3 and square root of 4 will be 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2 into 1 will give you 2. Therefore, the final answer is I is equal to 2. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.